Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Harley Davidson Street Rod. This is the V-Rod with the Street Rod version, 1250cc Porsche design, liquid-cooled V-twin fuel injection. You got the upside-down sport bike front end forks. This bike is badass. Two-tone silver and black cherry paint. It's got the engine guards, highway foot pegs. We also have a windscreen, quick-release windscreen. Come by, check it out. Make your V-Rod dreams come true. Thing is belt drive. We have financing available. We have extended service contracts. I'm going to fire it up so you can see how she runs. Only $69.99. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.